Alright, I'm going to try and get the forge going, and got some wood shavings in there. And let me, actually, I do need to go get more coal. I'm getting down pretty empty. And I'm also getting this fucking crappy coal too. It's not even chunks, it's kind of like dust. Alright, let me get something going here. Alright, let's get this going a little bit here, and what I'm going to do, what my project is for right now, for the next however long it takes, is I got all these lawnmower blades, you know, all of them are all kind of bent, you know, because they were lawnmower blades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten everything out so I can come back and kind of cut that shape. And I might be able to get two out of one. Well, I might be able to. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. But anyway, that's kind of what I'm going to do. Get that thing roaring. Oh yeah. That's going to be nice and hot pretty damn quick. Oh, damn, I'll go ahead. I'll throw one in there right now. Let that end get all heated up. Bring it over here and bang it out. And I you know, see here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's say if I get all 10 of those flattened out, and let's say I may be able to only get one out of each one of them. I should be able to try and be able to, I could be able to mark it out where I can get 2 out of each one of these. But let's say, okay, If I make one, sell it for 20 bucks, and 10 of them, that's $200. If I can do that every fucking week, you're pretty badass. But that's a lot of work. But yeah, it's a anyway. This is kind of what I'm thinking about right now. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just, while I'm not actually, don't have like a jobby job because I got laid off. Trying to do something that might make me some money in the process of me not actually having a jobby job. Maybe I can make this the jobby job, but it's a lot of hard work. So yeah, this is just me flattening this stuff out. So yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch of that, cut out some designs, So this is just me getting started on something. Me 1122 wing nut. Back out.